Okay, I'm over at Dr. Featheringale's house, and we have a large copperhead in a trap here. So I'm going to demonstrate on removing the snake. And this video that I'm making, it's just this is a raw footage. So this is just me. Got the camera set up, and I'm going to show you the snake. Trap was set in here. And it's been here only about just a few days. Customer bought some traps, and you can see that's a pretty good sized copperhead right there. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how that you're supposed to remove this snake. You know the snake's there, so we're going to have our bucket right here. Let me check the camera and see if I got it focused right. Doing it myself. So you know, it's no way for this snake to bite you. He's in the trap here. Now what I'm going to do is show you. So you just take this and you slide the snake into the container. That's it. That's what makes it so safe, and because this is a dangerous snake right here. Pretty good sized copperhead. You know. So that's how the Cahaba snake trap works. You know, it's safe. It's you know, of course, it's safe as it can be as far as being a poisonous snake. Now this snake here, actually I could release this snake. He's still, you know, he's still plenty alive, but we're going to remove this snake here. So and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate loading this trap again to show you, you know, it's not something that you just throw away. You continue to reuse it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate this. This is our sticky pad. All you do is just peel your. Sometimes this is a little bit hard to do, but just grasp it and just pull. A little bit hard to do, which it needs to be hard. It needs to be sticky to catch these snakes. That's a good sized copperhead right there. Exactly the reason that the Massengales purchased the traps was because of this. Now if you'll notice this one, they didn't want to have it you know, with the snake trap decal on it. So what we did is we just left it off so that can be done. Now all we got to do to reload this trap, take the sticky pad, slide it in there. We go in about 7 inches, about like that. And then we're going to set that trap right here, and I'll assume that's where they had it set before, so we're just going to put it right back there. But you need to be extremely cautious. You know, that's the sticky pad. That's the Cahaba snake trap sticky pad. So that's the retrieving and resetting the trap right there. This is just a demonstration of what we are doing. Yesterday we had an interview with the Birmingham News, and we had 3 snakes that we caught yesterday. I had 2 in traps, and then I had 1 hand catch, but now these were non-poisonous snakes that we caught yesterday. So you know, when you do catch a poisonous snake, though, you need to be extremely cautious on taking this snake out. So that's a demonstration on the retrieval of a poisonous snake. The Cahaba snake trap is a very good product, and two, for anybody that has a problem with snakes on their property.